Welcome to a refreshing approach to self-care, where we explore how teachings can instantly detox your mind and soul. In today's video, we will look into understanding what detoxing the mind and soul truly involves and why it is crucial for your personal development. This process is akin to cleansing your inner world of mental clutter and emotional baggage, which often holds you back from experiencing true peace and clarity. While we walk through these concepts, you'll learn practical strategies that don't just scratch the surface but go deeper to effect genuine change. Detoxing the mind and soul isn't about short-term fixes. It's about setting the foundation for long-term mental health and emotional well-being. What does it really mean to detox your mind and soul? Think of it as a thorough spring cleaning for your internal world. This involves recognizing and clearing out thoughts and emotions that cloud your mental spaces and weigh down your spirit. The benefits of this detox are manifold. By clearing out mental and emotional clutter, you not only improve your cognitive functions, but also enhance your emotional resilience. This state of clarity allows you to make decisions more effectively, interact with others more authentically, and navigate daily stresses with greater ease. Over time, maintaining a detoxed mental state contributes to improved relationships, a more positive outlook on life, and a deeper sense of fulfillment. One of the first steps in any detox process is to identify the toxins. In the realm of mental and emotional health, these toxins are the patterns of thinking and feeling that repeatedly cause distress or dysfunction. Toxic patterns can range from persistent self-doubt and fear to habitual negativity and beyond. They often manifest as recurring thoughts that challenge your worth or capabilities and emotions that keep you feeling stuck in past hurts or fears about the future. How do you become aware of these patterns? It starts with mindfulness. Paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment can reveal much about your habitual mental and emotional landscapes. Journaling can also be an effective tool. By regularly writing down your thoughts and emotions, you can begin to detect patterns. Are there certain times of day, interactions, or activities that trigger negative thoughts or feelings? Noticing these patterns is the first step toward addressing them. Building on the awareness of toxic patterns, we now shift our focus to the active steps you can take to detox your mind and soul. A key tool in this endeavor is the use of positive affirmations. Affirmations are statements that can help counteract negative thoughts and reinforce the positive perspective on your abilities and worth. They are not just wishful thinking, but are based on the principle of repetition, which can influence the way your brain forms habits of thought. By consistently telling yourself positive, constructive statements, you start to reshape your internal dialogue. This process helps diminish the power of negative patterns and strengthens your mental resilience. For instance, replacing thoughts of "I can't do this" with "I have the ability to handle challenges" can gradually transform your mindset from one of doubt to one of confidence and capability. To incorporate affirmations into your daily routine, start by selecting a few statements that resonate deeply with you and address areas where you seek improvement or support. Repeat these affirmations during the day, especially during moments of stress or uncertainty. Over time, you may notice a shift in how you react to challenges and how you perceive yourself, evidencing the detoxing effect of positive affirmations on your mind and soul. Another vital component of detoxing your mind and soul is the practice of forgiveness. Holding on to past grievances or ongoing resentment can significantly tax your emotional and mental health. Forgiveness involves a conscious decision to let go of these feelings, not necessarily because someone else deserves it, but because you deserve peace. The act of forgiveness can lead to profound healing by releasing you from the burden of negative emotions that bind you to the past. It opens up space in your heart and mind for more constructive emotions and experiences. Practicing forgiveness can be challenging, especially when the hurt is deep, but it is a crucial step towards detoxing your mind and soul from the poisons of resentment and bitterness. Begin this practice by acknowledging the emotions you hold related to past hurts. Recognize that your feelings are valid, and then consider the relief and freedom that might come with letting them go. You can use affirmations to support this process as well, such as "I choose to forgive and feel lighter," or "I release the past to make room for my well-being." These strategies for applying positive affirmations and accepting forgiveness are designed to cleanse your mental and emotional palate. With commitment and practice, these techniques will enhance your internal environment, setting the stage for lasting peace and resilience. As we progress further into the detox of our minds and souls, self-love emerges as a fundamental aspect. Self-love is the appreciation of oneself that grows from actions supporting our physical, psychological, and spiritual growth. It allows us to accept our weaknesses along with our strengths and to give ourselves compassion rather than criticism. Self-love starts with setting boundaries and prioritizing your well-being, which enables you to make healthier choices. To foster self-love, begin by acknowledging your own needs and allow yourself the time and space to fulfill them. This might mean setting aside time for relaxation and rejuvenation, or choosing to pursue activities that genuinely bring you joy rather than obligation. Regular self-care is an expression of self-love that can take many forms, from the physical, such as exercise and nutritious eating, to the mental, such as seeking positive environments and relationships. Cultivating a habit of treating yourself kindly in thoughts and actions reinforces the belief that you are valuable and deserving of your own care and respect. This mindset is a crucial detox element, purging negative self-perceptions and replacing them with affirmations of your own worth. With our detox journey, mindfulness plays a critical role in maintaining mental and emotional clarity. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Practicing mindfulness can help you break the cycle of negative thoughts and emotions by anchoring you in the present. It reduces stress and enhances your response to daily challenges, allowing a more thoughtful, calm approach to life's inevitable ups and downs. Techniques like focused breathing, mindful eating, and mindful walking are accessible ways to cultivate this skill. Each method brings you back to the present moment, offering a break from dwelling on past events or future anxieties. To integrate mindfulness into your daily life, try starting or ending your day with a 5-minute meditation, focusing solely on your breathing. This practice can center your thoughts and clear your mind, setting a tone of peace and preparedness for the day ahead or a restful closure to the night. Over time, this practice helps cleanse the mind of clutter, fostering a renewed sense of energy and balance. In our quest for a detoxed mind and soul, connecting with nature emerges as a powerful ally. The natural world offers a unique set of benefits that help to clear the mind and rejuvenate the spirit. Being in nature, whether it's a walk through a forest, sitting by a lake, or simply spending time in a city park, can significantly decrease stress and enhance mood. The simplicity of nature encourages us to slow down and disconnect from the busy, often overwhelming pace of modern life. This reconnection can lead to a deeper sense of peace and a refreshed mental state. To integrate nature into your detox process, try to make it a habit to spend at least a few minutes outside each day. Even short periods of time can be beneficial, whether it's taking a walk, gardening, or even just listening to natural sounds like water flowing or birds chirping. Consider occasionally visiting more secluded natural spaces if possible. These excursions can serve as mental resets, providing new perspectives and invigorating your spirit. They remind us of the beauty and rhythm of life beyond our everyday routines, contributing to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. Creating a personal detox ritual can be a transformative step in maintaining the clarity and cleanliness of your mental and emotional states. A detox ritual is a series of actions you perform regularly that collectively support your mental and emotional health. This ritual can be as simple or elaborate as you choose, but its consistency is what makes it effective. Start by selecting activities from the techniques we've discussed, such as affirmations, mindfulness, or spending time in nature. Consider what times of day you feel most in need of detoxing. Perhaps it's in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind before bed. Tailor your ritual to fit these times, ensuring it's something you can realistically commit to on a daily basis. For instance, your morning ritual might include a brief mindfulness meditation, a series of positive affirmations, and a few minutes spent outdoors to breathe fresh air. In contrast, your evening ritual could focus more on journaling to reflect on the day and practicing forgiveness to release any negative emotions before sleep. By establishing a detox ritual, you empower yourself to take proactive steps towards maintaining a detox state. This regular practice not only supports your immediate well-being, but also builds resilience against future stress, ensuring that your mind and soul remain clear and refreshed. Having established a detox ritual and integrated beneficial practices into your daily life, the next step is to focus on maintaining this detox state. This involves consistent application of the strategies you've learned and being mindful of new habits that support your mental and emotional health. Continuity is key in this phase. It's important to regularly reassess and adjust your rituals as your life and needs evolve. This could mean changing the affirmations you use, adapting your mindfulness techniques, or finding new ways to connect with nature as seasons change. Keeping your approach flexible ensures that your detox practices never become stagnant and continue to meet your psychological and emotional needs. Another aspect of maintaining a detox state is to cultivate an environment that supports these efforts. This can involve setting boundaries in relationships that might lead to stress or negativity, organizing your living and workspaces to reduce chaos, and perhaps limiting exposure to digital media, which can often clutter the mind with excessive information and emotional triggers. While we conclude our journey through the process of detoxing the mind and soul, remember that this is an ongoing practice rather than a one-time task. The strategies discussed, from recognizing toxic patterns and utilizing affirmations to accepting forgiveness and establishing a personal ritual, are tools that can support you throughout your life's various phases. Take a moment to reflect on the progress you've made and acknowledge the efforts you've put into creating a healthier mental and emotional state. The goal of detoxing the mind and soul is not just to clear out the negatives, but also to enhance your capacity for joy, resilience, and fulfillment. Continue to listen to your needs and adapt your strategies as necessary. The path to a clear mind and a light soul is personal and unique for everyone. Trust in the processes you've set up and commit to continuously nurturing your mental and emotional well-being. Thank you for joining this journey toward a detoxed mind and soul. May you carry forward the clarity and peace you've cultivated and let them guide you to a vibrant and fulfilling life.